Hi guys, I will show you today how to safely and easily remove the mirror. As you see, mine is broken. I used before that kind of tools. I seen some YouTube video how to do it, and I break the mirror. So I find a better way. You can get a piece of some soft material. Let's move the mirror a little bit on the left, and it's much safer to remove this way. So you can use this tool to put the material behind the mirror, and then put to the mirror and not safe. Slowly. Okay, at one side. As you can see, mirror is already broken, and I didn't broken more using this technique. Oh, it's already there. So I recommend use this way instead of the normal plastic tools, because it's extremely easy to break the mirror. And yeah, thanks for watching, guys.